Buenos días. Son las 7:40 de la mañana. Amanecimos a 13 grados aquí. Está haciendo un frío tremendo. Acabo de encender el camión para que cargara las baterías, porque el camión trae integrado un sistema de aire acondicionado y de calefacción eléctrico, pero en temperaturas un poco más extremas no es tan eficiente. Así que ya en media hora vamos a pasar a uno de los shops ahí a ver que instalen el APU. Si ven, la mayoría de camiones aquí están esperando cita para instalación de ese equipo, y muchas flotas vienen para acá. Estos son los headquarters de esta compañía de Green APU, y esperemos salir temprano de aquí para empezar a bajar hacia Arkansas. Así que los veo un rato. Bueno, ya puse el camión en la 11, está del otro lado. Al parecer ellos dicen que no es necesario remover el APU eléctrico que tiene el camión ya. Entonces me imagino que lo van a poner en el centro, porque ellos tienen que poner una caja que es como la caja de distribución de ventilación o algo así. Y que entonces ya ahorita vengo al otro edificio donde esperan los choferes. Entonces vamos a esperar aquí. Dicen supuestamente que es como hasta las 4 va a estar listo. Entonces vamos a ver. Así que vamos. Oye, sí que está haciendo un frío. Canalla. How's it going, man? Bueno, que vamos a esperar ya como unas 6 horas, 7 horas. Así que vamos a ver qué pasa. Los veo un rato una vez que me llamen. Bueno, como ven, ya tengo el APU instalado. Es de la marca de Green APU. Es motor diésel, es un motor Kubota. Decidí con esta compañía porque es que busqué más información de todas las opciones que había. Estaba el Thermo King Carrier, el HP 2000 creo, y había las otras opciones que eran los eléctricos, que eran a base de batería, no venían con motores. Entonces decidí con este. ¿Por qué? Porque tiene una potencia de 26.000 BTU en lo que es sistema frío y sistema caliente. O sea, tiene heater y tiene aire acondicionado. La otra parte también es que normalmente los APUs traen el motor a los costados del camión y traen el condensador con un abanico, que es el sistema de enfriamiento del mismo APU, y lo traen conectado en alguna parte trasera de la cabina del camión. En este viene todo en uno. Si pueden ver aquí el costado derecho, entre el tanque de combustible y el APU, ahí está el condensador. O sea, no me requiere venir y poner más nada aquí atrás. Para el consumo de combustible no tengo que estarle echando combustible aparte, porque en la instalación ellos hacen una conexión al tanque de diésel, que la pueden ver ahí. Miren, esta es donde el APU coge combustible del mismo tanque. Tiene un consumo de, creo que de 0.2 a 0.4 galones de diésel por hora. En cambio el camión consume, creo que un galón y medio por hora. También incluye el costo de estar manteniendo el motor encendido, tienen que hacer más cambios de aceite más seguido, más horas al motor, y eso va generando más gasto en mantenimiento, lo que es el cabezal. Esto es más práctico, es una inversión. El valor de este equipo es de $15,000, pero estaba en descuento el último mes del año, entonces yo lo agarré en $12,000. El equipo es completamente nuevo, viene con garantía de 2 años, sin límite de horas. Entonces, y como yo soy una de las personas que no puedo dormir sin aire acondicionado, tengo que tener la cabina bastante fría, por eso me fui con él. Aparte, tiene una opción de mantenimiento de batería. Si yo me voy y dejo el camión parqueado por 2-3 semanas, yo lo dejo activado con el control de adentro, y él tiene un regulador donde él está midiendo el voltaje de las baterías. Cuando las baterías bajan de 12.5 creo voltios, él arranca por cierta cantidad de tiempo para venir y poder volver a cargar las baterías, porque una vez que él está encendido yo tengo 13.8, 13.7, 14.2 voltios en el sistema del camión. O sea, yo puedo estar usando microondas, freidora de aire, puedo estar usando refrigeradora, cargadores, estar escuchando música, todo lo puedo tener encendido y no me va a estar afectando la batería. No, todo eso también, de cuántas cosas yo puedo tener encendido a la vez, todo va también en ver el tipo de inversor que tengo. Entonces, esa es la opción. Voy a encenderlo ahorita y les voy a mostrar el control. Ok, estos son mis paneles del dormitorio. Tengo aquí lo que es mi inversor, que si yo lo enciendo es donde me da corriente el microondas. ¿Escucharon? El microondas encendió, ahorita tiene 12.9. Entonces cuando el aparato está corriendo, aquí sube a 13, 14 y pico, 13.7, por ese rango más o menos. Tengo los controles de aire acondicionado. Esto no lo uso porque el aire acondicionado tiene sistema de ventilación independiente. Todo lo controlo de esta caja, que es la que ellos me instalaron. Para yo encender el aparato, presiono el botón y aquí me da las opciones. El Climate Control es para tener el aire acondicionado, calefacción, y la otra opción que le dije, el battery Charger, que es para mantener las baterías cargadas. Entonces, para encenderlo en Climate Control, yo le doy y él se demora 30 segundos en arrancar. Pongan atención y van a ver, van a escuchar cuando él arranque. Ya arrancó, ¿escucharon? Entonces él corre un diagnóstico por unos cuantos segundos, asegurarse que todo esté bien. La velocidad del abanico es automático, entonces esto sirve como un termostato de casa. Lo tengo seteado a 65. Si la temperatura de adentro está a 72, pongámosle, él va a venir y poner la suficiente potencia para llegar a esa temperatura, la temperatura que yo la tengo. Yo lo puedo bajar a más, como yo lo quiero tener. Ahora, si por ejemplo afuera está a 32 grados, yo lo puedo controlar aquí y el sistema automáticamente va a detectar qué va a poner a trabajar, si la calefacción o el aire acondicionado. Me gusta, estoy satisfecho. Ya llevo 2 semanas con el aparato instalado y no quería hacer un video explicándole cómo trabajaba porque quería probarlo primero para darle así una referencia más legítima, pues. Aparte de eso, estando en la planta ahí de Green APU, Brad se ofreció a darme un tour en todas las instalaciones, porque esa es la factoría donde hacen todo el producto de este equipo. Lo único que ellos reciben son los motores. Entonces les voy a mostrar ahorita todo el tour que él me dio en la planta, cómo ellos hacen los cables, las poleas, los controles y todo eso. Así que les voy a dejar el video por acá. Gracias a estar aquí, espero que les esté gustando. No olviden de suscribirse, darle like a los videos, comentar, compartir, para así seguir creciendo. Así que muchas gracias y los veo en el próximo video.
Yeah, so this is 24/7 for life tech support. If you have any issues, don't call me. Call tech support. I'm in sales, okay?
All right.
But yeah, the phone number is right here, option 3, or it's gonna be right on this controller right here. Okay. Here is your weight certificate exemption. So depending on the state, it's duty gives you between 5 and 550. We're 375 installed.
All right.
So you're actually gaining weight with the unit.
Correct.
System overview, it's going to show you the control and navigations right here. And I'll show you this shortly, but climate control, the battery monitoring is the standby mode right here. So 2 main functions. And then the maintenance schedule right here.
Oh, that's the thing. Correct.
Yeah. So 1,000 hours will give you the fuel, oil, and air filter part numbers. I think your unit will take 3.5 quarts of oil. I would just double check that.
All right.
And then 10W30 or 15W40 is okay. The serpentine belt, and then the 1.7 pounds of Freon.
All right.
Maintenance schedule. This is where you can see your service hours right here. And then here are some recommended wear and tear.
All the part numbers and all the stuff.
So these are more of the wear and tear stuff, or the filter stuff like that. Serpentine belt, sensors.
What about the tensioner?
The tensioner is made by Daco.
Oh, Daco. All right.
Yeah. We don't really have any issues with the actual tensioner itself.
But anyways, if you have an issue, I can give you a call.
Call me.
You can ship it, the parts.
So this right here is our parts department. So we keep part stock for a whole year.
All right.
So this is the main screen. Okay. There's 2 primary functions. It's climate control and the battery charger. To turn the actual unit on, just click climate control, and it'll turn on in 30 seconds.
All right.
Okay. This glow key right here, your glow plugs, those will turn on automatically depending on the outside temperature.
All right.
Okay. This right here is what's going to read the temperature inside the truck. Okay. And this bad boy right here is what's going under your bed.
All right.
Now I'd recommend cleaning this. Just pull this out. Usually pull it out like this once a year. Spray it down.
All right.
You don't need to replace it.
Well, that's the part you told me that we had to lubricate it like every year?
Every PM, I'd say.
Oh, every PM?
Or every year.
All right.
I'd say. Just maintenance purposes.
Okay.
So this right here, ignore that. It says AC press. Ignore that. It's some of the software in this controller is kind of janky. But there's no heat or AC modes. Whatever temperature you like, it's just going to switch between AC and heat automatically.
It will automatically set up the temperature in the cab through the thermostat, and the computer will know if it needs heat or AC. Correct. I got you.
Yeah. And the cool thing is, this fan is going to speed up and slow down depending on the temperature you like.
How fast you got to go to the temperature you want it.
It's pretty fast.
I got you.
I'll show you how fast it is.
Yeah, this is the most powerful, right? The 26,000 BTU.
26,000, yeah.
Right.
So if you like it at 65, okay. So let's say nothing shows up right here. That means you're at temperature. Okay. But then it's the AC.
There you go.
2 ways to turn this off. Turn the truck on. It'll shut off in 5 minutes. Okay.
Right.
Or just click this right here, and then APU engine off.
Perfect.
Okay. Now, when you're in the truck, whatever temperature you had it set to at the last night, it'll stay that temperature.
So we'll stay there.
So if you just turn it on, you can just walk away.
All right.
It's gonna run all night.
And what about the battery charger or the battery maintenance?
So
feature?
let's turn this off.
All right.
So engine's completely off right now. That's the first primary function. This is the second primary function. Okay. Now you have to manually put this on every time you're away from the truck for a weekend or on vacation.
Set them out before I leave the truck.
Yeah. So before you leave the truck, just remember to put it. It's called battery charger. It's not going to do any AC or heat. It's just going to monitor your battery voltage and the coolant temperature. If this drops below 12.6, or if this drops below 36 degrees, it'll shut on for 2 hours and shut off automatically.
All right.
Okay. And it's just going to keep cycling until you get back in the truck.
All right.
Okay.
Perfect. So once I put the battery recharging feature, I just do one click and that's it.
Yep. I'll show you one more time. So let's turn the controller back on. So let's say you're done driving. Hey, it's the weekend. Let's go party. Battery charger.
One
click
click
it.
That's it. So All right.
And then when you get back to the truck, just turn the truck on. This will shut off.
All right.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then to get out of this, just hit system off.
All right.
Very simple.
Perfect.
And then, sorry, one more thing. To see your service hours, just go to maintenance and service hours right here. Total oil is what you want to focus on. This will beep at you at 800 hours. So you don't need to go in and check every day. It'll remind you that, hey, you have an oil change coming up soon. And then if you want to reset your oil timer, it's right there.
All right, when I do the PM, once it's done, just
reset it.
And what about the maintenance log? What is that?
Maintenance log is just whatever you did the last maintenance.
All right.
It's like, oh, at 999 hours or 800 hours or 600 hours. It just,
it'll tell you when, every time you reset the oil timer, it'll tell you when you reset it.
Yeah.
All right, I got you.
Yeah. That's it.
All right, perfect.
Cool. So we'll start off at the wire harnessing station right here. All wire harnesses are made in-house.
All right.
You'll see a trend here. We try to stay, I wouldn't say we try to stay, but we try to do everything in-house. Stay self-sufficient rather than rely on a supplier, China, or anyone else. Right?
Everything is made in the house.
Everything is made in-house. Now, the stuff that we can't make in-house, like the compressors, the condensers, you know, we buy domestically.
All right.
So nothing overseas. U.S. made parts, U.S. made product. And just to give you a good example of the internal wire harness that's actually in the APU.
Oh, that's the one for the fuse module.
So this is going into the actual APU. And relative to our competitors, it's about one third of the size of, let's say, a thermal cleaner carrier.
All right.
So we have very little wrench.
So let's say we have a failure with the harness, we just get it ordered and
you get it ordered and replace it. Yeah.
replace. Perfect.
Yeah. I mean, again, we keep part stock for a whole year.
For a whole year.
And if you're in a pinch and you need a wire harness now, you know, we have the resources to actually make it today.
All right.
Not, hey, call me back in a week and pay 10 times the price you would over, over the counter. Yeah, this machine, what it's doing is it's making the wires. So this machine is actually making these wires right here. It's taping them together. It also scans the wires. So if there's any little dink or any little imperfection, it goes right here.
Like it's not 100%, it
for whatever reason.
discard it.
Exactly. And you can kind of see this one right here. I mean, a little nick. Like sometimes you can see them, but
you gotta be 100% so the computer send it over.
And the reason we do that, imagine if all these wires are in an APU.
We have a lot of complaints and recalls and stuff like that.
A lot of complaints.
Yes.
So we just use it for scrap.
That's the last thing we want to have.
Exactly.
When we're on the road, you know?
Exactly. You know, we're trying to prevent all downtime.
That's pretty cool.
The station right here, we're testing every single wire harness. So what we do is we plug into the controller and we hit test. If it's good, we ship it down to production. If not, we fix it.
All right.
We have a fail rate of 0.06 on these wire harnesses.
Computers.
Yeah, pretty cool.
That's insane. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and if there is any issues with the wire harnesses, it's going to show you exactly where it is. So
you can fix it right there.
Exactly. But that's, you know, we typically don't have many issues. These are all the wires that are shipped domestically, so nothing from overseas. It's 100% copper. We're not cheaping out on the cheap materials, you know.
American product.
Yep.
That's the key.
And this is the laboratory, so we do all testing here, fuel consumption testing, BTU testing, how the unit performs in heat, cold. Right?
What's the consumption on these units?
On average, it's between 0.2 and 0.25 gallons per hour.
Oh.
Less if you're using heat.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, way less.
Most likely the heat is kind of electric.
No.
No?
So the heat works because we use a heater core.
Oh, with the coolant, right?
In the HVAC, there's a heater core and AC evaporator.
I got you.
Hot coolant warms up. That's
All right, all right. Does this unit help you out with the inverter when the engine is off of the truck?
So yeah, so when the truck's engine's off, you turn our APU on, and then it just works right with the inverter.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
So whatever you have plugged in, your microwave, your fridge, your phone,
yes,
you're good to go.
As long as I'm not overloading the inverter, I should be good. I got you.
These are how we ship APUs to customers. Different fleets who install themselves, dealerships across the country. So you have the APU down, and then just the rest of the installation.
Wires, accessories, condensers. All right. How long you been in business?
We've been in business for 15 years. 15
years?
16 in a couple months.
Perfect.
This right here is the full installation kit. We're making products like the different connectors we're making in-house. Yeah, we have 11 CNC machines that do the connectors. The mounting blocks right here, we're all making in-house. You can see right here.
Oh, perfect.
You know, our competitors, they like to use PVC plastic. We want to use them.
Yes.
It just makes more sense.
Once you install it, you don't want to go back anymore.
Exactly. We don't want to see it, no offense. But
Yeah.
And these are different types of connectors depending on the engine you have. Packard, Cummins, Cat, Detroit. We have a solution for everything, basically.
One question, what's the reason for the valves?
Shut off valves? If you have a coolant leak, you got to shut off to the APU, right?
All right.
So yeah, if you ever have a coolant leak, we have 2 shut off valves, typically right by the engine. Okay?
All right. Perfect.
This is where we're doing full testing of our APUs. We run these about 45 minutes on full diagnostics. Starting right here.
From the engines to the casing.
Correct. To the assembly, everything. So we get these engines shipped from Japan. This is basically the only part that is not US made. We use a Kubota 3-cylinder engine. Okay. Now the way they're shipped to us, you can see this is a tractor, like a lawnmower motor.
Yes.
So it has a V-belt. Right, we don't like V-belts. That makes your life more difficult.
Yeah.
You know? So we're doing a lot of modifications, removing some brackets, adding additional structures, like an alternator bracket right here, adding some pulleys, adding an additional bracket right here with a sensor.
So you'll be able to put like American parts.
So we make the pulleys. Here, I'll show you this right here. So we're making this in-house. Right. So we'll add these pulleys to the engine. These parts right here, add them to the engines. A bracket with an additional temperature sensor.
Very nice quality.
Yeah. So all that's manufactured at this location.
Oh, with part number and everything.
Part number, Pizzotto drilling. And we get this anodized. So we call this colored anodizing. We call this hard anodizing. Okay. Now both parts are made of aluminum, but the hard anodizing acts like steel, whereas this is just colored to prevent rust.
I got you.
Right. Just think about it. When you have a pulley that's moving 10 hours a day, you need a high quality.
Yes.
Right?
No, it will wear out quick.
It won't wear out. Exactly.
So, todo esto son motores para los APUs que ya le acaban de llegar a ellos, pero tienen que pasarlo todavía, hacerle ellos adaptaciones aquí para poner las partes que ellos ponen. Ya esa es la línea de ensamble donde ellos están cambiando los alternadores, los pulleys, y están adaptando todas las cosas para pasar en la línea, y ya al final ya están poniendo los casing, los abanicos, los condensadores, y después pasan a la estación de prueba, que fue donde les enseñé previamente.
So this is what we do. This is exactly what I was talking about. We're adding this stationary bracket. We're adding the pulleys right here, an additional sensor up top right here. And then if you can see it, it's right this green part right here. We're also making this part.
Oh, the green part?
Yeah. It's a little easier to see from right here.
Yes.
So, a lot of issues with Kubota, and usually customers that have carrier APUs, have the same problem where over the years, this alternator kind of tends to shift this way. We don't want that. So what we did is we made a stationary bracket for support. That way it stays where it needs to be.
Solid.
Because it ended up breaking some of these screws right here, and it'll mess a lot of things up.
Then the belt won't align.
Yeah,
it won't charge properly.
Exactly. So it just messes some things up.
You won't have the right voltage that the computer needs. It's insane. You have the whole operation here.
So it's just those small things that we do to help us set it apart.
That's nice.
So those engine mounts, I told you, we made this product based on automotive industry. That motor mount's the same as a Chevy Silverado.
Chevy Silverado?
Yeah, transmission mount.
Oh. So any issue, you just go to a auto part, and you find most likely 95% of the stuff. 95%
of the common wear and tear. I'd say 100% of common wear and tear parts. Whereas our competitors, you have to rely on them to number one, have the part, and then you gotta buy the part, which is super expensive.
Yeah.
And then you gotta wait in line to get fixed, and then it takes 2 days. You know, people.
And then if you gotta wait for the shop to work on your truck, on the APU or whatever.
And then the worst part is you're paying 10 times the price of an over-the-counter part.
Yes.
You know? Same with these Kubota engines. You can find any of these Kubota parts, like a water pump, any Kubota dealership. Now whereas carrier APUs, they also use Kubota engines, 2-cylinder, but you cannot buy those parts at Kubota.
This is the only engine you'll provide, the 3-cylinder.
3-cylinder Kubota.
But you'll used to have a Jenner, I think.
So we used to use Yanmar, Perkins, another brand. We switched to Kubota 7 years ago, and it's been bulletproof.
Was the base choice.
Worth it, yeah.
I got you.
A little more expensive, but it's worth it.
All right.
So this is where it just goes down the assembly line. We'll add the tensioner bracket right there, the AC compressor, air filter, we'll add the belt, sidewalls, and we'll kind of piece everything together at the last station over there. It's funny, those guys on the assembly line, been doing this for so long that they have the amount of zip ties down to the exact number of
That
every single unit.
Wow.
Zip tie. It's crazy.
So you got your cables here,
Battery cables,
AC lines.
AC lines, we have the coolant lines. We don't make them, but we can basically make any size we like. And these are some of the cables, depending on the size you need. We have it in stock. This machine cuts them right there.
And they
length that you need, and then this machine's gonna crimp them.
Oh, put the terminals on them.
Yep. And again, it's 100% copper.
Wow, that's good quality there.
And you know, a lot of these battery cables you buy out of the box,
Yes,
not the highest quality. So
correct.
we want to make sure we get it right. It also allows us to, let's say, you know, every truck's different, right? No matter the truck. Let's say you need 12-foot hoses besides 8-foot hoses. Well, we can make it.
You'll find out the size and then the length.
Different measurements of the cables, the hoses, and then we can make it. And then that allows you to not get back to waste of parts. Because if we relied on suppliers, what if they said, oh, we don't have that in stock for 2 weeks?
That would be crazy.
Customers gotta wait, we gotta wait, so.
And been working a couple of weeks without APU on summertime.
Oh man.
No idea.
Yeah, just preventing that downtime is just insane.
Yeah. Oh, these are the adapters that goes to the chassis, right?
Yeah.
To the frame.
So we make this piece in house. This just goes on your standard frame. Bolt them down with brackets, and that's it.
Okay.
And the cool part is, if you come with like a thicker frame or a double frame, all we need to do is take that measurement of the frame, and we can actually have this part available that same day with a wider little mount.
Wow. It don't matter with what you come, you will get it done.
Exactly. Trust me, we've seen everything. We've seen every single sort of situation.
Perfect.
Right here, we have 24/7 for life tech support for free. Okay, and it's no one overseas, no call centers.
Yeah.
It's you just saw the guy. It's here.
It's the one that walked outside.
Just walked outside. So 24/7 for life, and we are built from the Diagnostics.
All right.
So let's say you have a problem over the road. What the guy is going to do, he's going to say go to Diagnostics, go to Advanced. It'll give you a one-time password to unlock this. Go to Output Control, and there you have your test right here. So let's say, okay, hey, I'm tech support. I'm not having any AC. Okay, let's check your condenser fan. All I gotta do is turn it on.
We test it right away. Perfect.
Okay, that's worked. Okay, let's check your AC compressor. Driver, do you hear a clutch? Oh yeah, I do.
Cool.
Okay, you don't. Okay, what are the exact values? Okay, this is reading wrong, right? Maybe it's an AC compressor problem, right? You don't need to know any of these numbers. You just tell them.
This thing is kind of better than the OBD scanner, because OBD scanner tell you what might be wrong.
What might be wrong?
With this one, you can actually test the part and you hear if it's working or not.
It's working or not. Like, let's say the starter. Okay. Technically, if this unit was running, it would start.
Yes.
Okay. If it's not starting, maybe it's a bad fuel cell alone. Let's say the pre-cooler circuit, blower circuit. And if it's just a sensor issue, let's say you have an overheat and it's just a sensor. Okay, driver, check if there's oil in the APU, if there's a coolant leak. Okay, there's oil in the APU, you can check it right here. Okay, perfect, there's oil. Okay, there's no coolant leaks. Okay, driver, you can turn all the sensors off, right? That way you can use it for a couple of days before you get it fixed.
To make sure, you just gotta make sure the machine can run safely. So we turn off all the sensors.
All the sensors.
Until we get it to the shop to get it.
Exactly.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So we can turn off all the sensors.